Have you ever wondered what mysteries lie deep inside our oceans? In my previous videos, we explored amazing aquatic creatures. We checked out jellyfish, octopus. But why am I focusing so much on the aquatic life? Because when we dive deeper, we discover a world full of mysteries, strange creatures, and unbelievable facts that many of us don't even know they exist. And today, I have chosen a very special creature, a creature that can live for more than 150 years. Can you guess what it is? Yes, today's topic is the incredible sea turtle, like the green sea turtles. Let's dive deep along with the turtles and know some important facts about these great creatures without any delay. Hi, welcome to my channel, Priya's Little Talks. Before going to the topic, I request everyone to please subscribe, share, and like my channel. Well, turtles are one of the oldest living creatures on earth, surviving for more than 200 years, even before dinosaurs. Isn't that amazing? It is. They are best known for their hard protective shell, which acts like a shield and keeps them safe from predators. There are mainly three types of turtles. Sea turtles, which live in oceans and travel around thousands of kilometers. Second one is fresh turtles, which one living in rivers, lakes and ponds. And third one is a tortoise, like the Galapagos tortoise, which live only on land. Many of you have a small doubt that a common question, what exactly the difference between turtles and tortoise? Turtles and tortoise are not the same. Turtles usually live in water and have webbed feet for swimming, but tortoise live on land and have strong legs for walking. Turtle shells are flatter and lighter, while tortoise shells are heavy and dome-shaped. Turtles can dive deep into the ocean, sometimes even very, very deep inside. Freshwater turtles prefer shallow waters and often come out to bask in the sun. They eat plants and algae. They eat fish and insects. Sometimes they eat both. Some turtles love to eat crabs and shellfishes also. They are of different sizes, very small to very large. They maximum grow for 1.5 meters long, and the shell is made of strong bone which acts as a natural protection. Here's something surprising for you. Turtles cannot come out of their shell any time. The most fascinating part is that these turtles and tortoise are among the longest living animals in the world. In captivity, turtles usually live around 10 to 20 years, but in wild they can live up to 150. Tortoise live ever longer, around 80 to 150. That you can see one of a creature by name tortoise which have lived around 190 years. Some can reach an age of 200 to 250 years. There is a question, can they live for 500 years? No, it's just a myth. There is no such a scientific proof that these creatures can live more than or above 300 years of age. So, Jonathan is the best noted creature, that means the animal which lived for around 190 years so far. We must note an important point that both the tortoise and the tortoise, they live for so long, many years, and they are the ancient animals. There is a question that how do these creatures reproduce? Let's see that topic too. Female turtles actually, they come to land and they dig holes in the sand. You can see in the video how these turtles appears, and they used to come in the form of a crowd, and they'll check out the place where the sand exists and what is the place that is convenient for, and how to lay the eggs and where to lay the eggs, and what is the protective area for their eggs. Once they have checked the place, they will dig deep inside the sand and they'll make a hole. In that, they'll start laying the eggs. These all will be a group pattern that all the turtles will come together and they'll start doing this work. And see, it's not one egg or two eggs. it is around some 50 to 200 eggs that will be laid by the turtles at a time. Once the eggs are laid by these turtles, they will cover them with the sand very carefully without having any problem or without getting any sort of distraction or any threat from any kind of an animal. Once these are covered, they will move to their original places. That means whether it to a sea or an ocean or wherever, they will go deep into the areas. Based upon the climatic condition, the babies used to come out. Do you know one important thing? Temperature, based on the temperature of the sand, it decides the gender of the babies, whether it is a male or a female. That will be decided based on that. Whatever the babies that used to come out after hatching, each and every creature, they won't go into the water. Some will come into some threads. They will go across some threads like fox or some cranes or something. A very few can survive and they will reach to the destination. Once it reaches the destination, it starts its journey in a happy way. Do you think only at the egg stage only they'll have some threads? No. In the water also they used to have so many threads inside. Turtles are not safe today. Not really. Turtles face threats in two major ways. One is the natural threats and the other one is the human activities. Natural threats like parasites and barnacles. Second one is the human activities like the fishing nets and pollution. Do you know something surprising? These tiny creatures called barnacles can actually cause serious problems for turtles. You can see in the video that the tortoise shells are filled with barnacles, which is a kind of an animal. It's a kind of a creature. I just want to give an explanation about these barnacles in the next video, but not for now. There's something interesting about it. For now, I just started exploring about the video. If I start making about the barnacles, it's a lengthy video. So I just want to go on in the form of a part 2. I hope you'll be looking out for the part 2 video, and we will meet in the next video regarding the barnacles and what are the threats still the turtle have and how we can uncover these hidden dangers for these beautiful creatures which are the ancient one in the sea level. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care everyone.